Buying a home is exciting, but without a clear criteria, it's easy to get overwhelmed or make compromises you later regret. First, let's focus on what truly matters to you in a home. Think about the features that would make daily life more comfortable and functional. Things like space, layout, amenities, and future potential. Next, we separate those must haves from the nice to haves. This helps ensure you don't settle for something that lacks your non negotiables while also being flexible enough to find the right home within your budget. Finally, location and property type will play such a huge role, not just in your experience living in the home, but also in its future resale value. A well selected home today can be a valuable investment for years to come. When buying a home, it's easy to get caught up in beautifully staged spaces or eye catching features, but staying focused on what truly matters will save you from costly mistakes. Defining your criteria helps keep attention on the things you need, not just the aesthetic appeal of a home during showings. This prevents rush decisions that can lead to buyer's remorse later on. It also ensures you stay within budget, avoiding unnecessary financial strain for features that might look great but aren't essential to your lifestyle. By knowing exactly what you need, you can make a confident, informed decision that's truly aligning with your goals. Now that you understand why defining your home criteria is essential, let's talk about how to actually put it into practice. First, create a must have versus a nice to have checklist before you even start house hunting. This keeps your focus sharp and ensures you don't get distracted by features that might look great but aren't truly necessary for your lifestyle. Next, think about long term value and lifestyle factors. Things like schools, commute times, neighborhood growth, and property appreciation. A home is not just where you live today, but also a financial decision for your future. Most importantly, stick to your budget while prioritizing what truly matters. Don't stretch beyond your financial comfort zone for features that won't make meaningful difference to you in the long term. A well balanced approach ensures you get a home you love without overpaying or regretting the purchase later.